Hi everyone, this is Deborah and I'm just going to share a quick trick that I've done for my zipper storage. I've been making a lot of these bags and I know I keep banging on about them. This one here, I was storing something else in it and I thought, why don't I put my zippers in here as I'm cleaning things up and sorting through all of my stuff? But then I had a problem because I didn't like that you had to kind of shove your hand in, and then I was trying to hold them down the end. But then I had this idea. So I'm going to pull them out of that one that I made and I'll use it for something else. And I thought, why not make one that has two zippers, one on either end? That way I can sort the zippers. Now I'm not sorting by colour or anything, and every time I look around I find more zippers, so I certainly don't need to buy any zippers for a while. I've got long ones, short ones. The long ones I can just fold them up like that at the end if I need to. So I'm just going to grab a bunch of them. Now, like before, I poke them in here, but now I can pull them at this end, and then I can kind of flatten them and sort them and then fold the ends of those ones up. And then when I get the next bunch, it's much easier then, and I'll try and get quite a few this time, but it's much easier, or I'm hoping. That's why I've just sat down and whipped up this bag in the last few minutes, and I can poke my hand in and pull them down like that. I think that's working. Yes, I think they're sitting a lot flatter than they were in the other one, and hopefully I can get the last of them in. Now let's just try and, oh yes, hang on, there's more here. I've got so many, more than a handful left. Maybe I should have made it a slightly bit bigger, but I think it'll work. So I am using them up as I'm making these bags. I think that is going to be a lot better in terms of keeping them tidy. But I guess I could use that sort of idea of putting a zipper on either end of my bag for a lot of different things. Now, I've just found some more sitting over here, so I'll grab these ones too. And when I need them, I can pull one out, hopefully without too much trouble. Let's just go in again. Yeah, it's getting a bit tight now, but I guess that's a lesson. I should have made it a bit wider. I didn't realise I had that many zippers. Tuck those ends in and zip this end up and zip this end up. Now with my zippers, I guess I'll use a lot more because I'm intending to make more of these bags, specialty bags. And the next one I'm looking at is a bag for my continuous zippers, because continuous zippers come with the zipper tape, but they also come with the ends. So I need to find a way to put them both into the same bag so that I don't lose them. So that's my quick little video for today, just sharing that idea that I had. Thanks for watching. This is Deborah. Cheers.